Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best cordless handheld vacuums you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many cordless handheld vacuums and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each cordless handheld vacuums so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a cordless handheld vacuum. First, think about suction power because it determines how well the vacuum picks up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. Next, check the battery life since short battery time can limit cleaning sessions. Also, consider how long it takes to recharge the vacuum between uses. Look for lightweight models that are easy to hold and move around. Pay attention to dustbin capacity, so you don't have to empty it too often. Filtration systems are important too, especially if you have allergies. Attachments and accessories can make cleaning corners, furniture, and cars much easier. Lastly, always compare warranty and brand reliability before purchasing. These factors together help you choose a vacuum that fits your cleaning needs and budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.